Hi everyone and welcome to Fresh from My Garden. We are here vacationing in a small resort in Alappuzha, and this place is filled with so much of greenery and beauty. And there are a few plants and trees that I am seeing for the first time, and I wanted to share them in today's video. So do let me know how you like this video and if you would like to see more of these kind of videos on my channel. Thanks for watching. As we were walking through the property, this is one unique looking beautiful flower that we noticed on this tree. And I initially thought it might be an orchid, but with a little bit of Google search, I found that this is known as a cannonball tree because if you look at the fruits, they look like cannonballs, and these flowers are so beautiful and attractive, and there are a lot of bees that are attracted to these beautiful flowers. So this is one unique and beautiful flower that I am seeing for the first time. This is a variety of guava known as the grape guava or the mundri pera, and my husband just picked a couple of fruits so that he could try them, and you can look inside to see that they are ripe in spite of its small size. So they grow in bunches like grapes, which is why it gets that name as the grape guava. And this variety of guava doesn't grow as big as the regular guava fruit. It's really small when it ripens, and it has a slightly tart and sweet taste. So we saw this for the first time in this resort, and as you can see, there are a lot that have fallen to the ground, and we got a couple of them to taste. And when we tasted it, it has a slightly tart and sweet taste. It's not the taste of a regular guava fruit, and it's slightly different in taste, but it's really nice, and it's supposed to be a prolific producer and produces a lot of tiny guava fruits in bunches just like grapes. This plant was growing right outside the dining area of the resort, and we mistook this for pineapples. But this is not the regular edible pineapple, but an ornamental variety. So these grow just like pineapples. The leaves look slightly different, but you can see that the fruit on this is just like a pineapple, but it doesn't grow as big. It just is a small variety which is mainly for an ornamental purpose, and it's not an edible variety of pineapple. So this plant was looking really pretty and cute outside the dining area with lot of mini pineapples growing on different parts of the plant. And now for a quick tour of this beautiful resort. This resort was filled with so much of greenery and so many varieties of fruit trees, and almost every tree had an orchid growing on them. So you can see that it's so beautiful with so much of greenery, and we could hear the chirping of birds, and we really enjoyed our stay in this resort. And this is not a paid promotion, I'm just doing this as a review because we really enjoyed our stay here, and because we enjoyed the amount of greenery and how well this property was maintained. So I hope you enjoy a view of this resort. I'm just doing a quick roundup and just to show you what it looks like, and to show you how much of greenery we have in this area. And they also have a lot of fruit trees, and when we spoke to the person who is managing this property, he said that they harvest these fruits to use in cooking for the guests that stay in this resort. So it's really nice to see that we get fresh food that is harvested right off the property, and that is something really wonderful. So please do watch this video right till the end to enjoy a view of this beautiful property, which is a real paradise for nature lovers because there is so much of greenery and it is right on the lake, so we can enjoy the lake view along with the beautiful greenery and the birds. So I hope you enjoy this video, and do let me know your thoughts about this video in the comments below, and do keep supporting our channel to watch more plant and garden related videos. Thanks for watching Fresh from my garden.